What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to today's video. A very exciting video. The finishing touches are underway. We are throwing on this green paint like there's no tomorrow, and this whole space is gonna finally start to look like it's been transformed. I'm super excited. As you saw, we did all of the prep work. You never wanna underdo your prep work, because if you do, and you make a boo-boo, it's gonna take you way longer to clean up. So take your time, tape out, and yeah, that's where we're at. You saw the tape job. Let's get this paint job going. No, I'm not done yet.
Hurry up. People are gonna be like, she's so ungrateful.
Hot is it up here right now?
It's really hot.
Really hot. And you excited to see this look normal? All right, well, you can see it when I'm done. Bye. All right, wall one, corner one is done. We're gonna let that dry out. And now it's on to the rest of this bad boy. I feel like I jumped in a pool, but like maybe a hot spring. I feel like I've jumped in a hot spring. That's the right answer. All right, coat one on this corner is now done. We got good, even coverage. We're gonna be throwing the trim back up here and here because it'll tie in with the trim down there. So it's gonna look really nice, but I still wanted good coverage over there, just in case, you know, the trim lays differently once it's back up and there's some spots that would have been exposed that weren't before. That's just the different things you wanna account for. And so I'd rather be safe than sorry. So now we're on to this part right here. This won't be fun. Big gulps, huh? Last section of paint. Oh gosh. Okay. This is when it gets risky. If I fall down the stairs, try not to watch the clip over and over again. At least make it a cool meme. Hit this corner one time for the 2-time. Call it a day. And if you notice this white streak here, ignore it because it's gonna get covered by the banister anyways. I'll pretend I was smart and mark that out on purpose, but my paint accidentally dribbled down there, and yeah, it wasn't great. But we're working with it. Let's go. The best part about this wall being done right now is that I'm gonna go step in air conditioning and breathe. Yeah! Let's go. Now we have to wait till tomorrow. Or actually, I won't be back for 2 days, so we'll see in 2 days. All right, the shirt looks black. It's definitely gray. I can't even see the original color on this shirt at all, but we're feeling very good. It's starting to already dry and cure out really nicely, so I'm feeling super confident in this paint job. So we'll see you in 2 days, and we'll either be painting again or laying some flooring. Really hope it's the flooring. All right, bye.